Hi friends, today we're going to use the disk method to find the volume rotated around the x-axis. So the question is, draw the region bounded by the curves, then use the disk method to find the volume when the region is rotated around the x-axis. So the first thing we need to do is draw the curves. So 2x squared looks something like this. It's a parabola. Next, we need to find x is equal to 0. So it looks something like this. Straight up on the y-axis. So x is equal to 4 looks something like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units from 0, and it goes straight up like this. Now, y equal to 0 is straight on the x-axis. So we're looking at this region right here. And it's going to rotate around the x-axis. So it's going to look something like this. As you can see, it's actually a cone with a base of a circle. So we need to know the formula for the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. We know the radius is half the circle. As you can see, the length of half the circle from the center. You can find that out by using y equal to 2x squared. That's where the curve is. So we need to use the integration. We know that pi is a constant, so we could go ahead and move that to the front of the integration. Let's go ahead and start the integration right now. So pi r squared dx. So we could, like I said, you could put the pi in front. This is a constant. So we got r squared dx. So we know the radius is 2x squared. So let's go ahead and input that. So we got 2x squared squared. And we also know the bounds, which is right here and here, which is 4 and 0. Now let's go ahead and square the 2x squared. So we're going to square the 2, and we're going to square this, the x squared, which is x to the 4th. So we have the same bounds, 4 and 0. And we got pi, and then we got dx. So 4 is also a constant, so we can also put that in the front as well. Let's go ahead and do that. So we got x to the 4th dx. Now we integrate the x to the 4th, which is x to the 5th over 5 for pi. And then we got 4 and 0. Now, we also have another constant here, which is 1 over 5, which is right here. You go ahead and factor that out as well. So we got 4 pi over 5. So we got x to the 5th. And then we have 4 and 0. Okay, let's go ahead and put the bounds in, the integration. So we got 4 to the 5th minus 0 to the 5th. So we got 4 pi over 5, the constant. So 4 to the 5th is 1024 minus 0. 4 pi over 5. So we got 1024 minus 0, which is 1024 for pi to the 5th. So we're going to multiply that 4 to 1024, which is 4096 pi over 5 unit cube. And that is it. please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot. Thanks, friends.